For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an e-commerce business is now easier and more powerful thanks to artificial intelligence, AI. From planning and product selection to marketing, logistics, and customer service, AI tools can guide and automate your success. Here's a step-by-step guide to launching your e-commerce business using AI. 1. Choose a niche and business model. Use AI to research profitable niches based on demand, competition, and trends. Recommended tools. ChatGPT for brainstorming and strategy. Google Trends. Exploding topics. SEMrush or Ahrefs. AI-driven keyword research. Prompt example. ChatGPT prompt. Suggest 10 profitable and trending e-commerce niches in 2025 with low to medium competition and high demand. Decide your model. Dropshipping. Print on demand. Private label. Wholesale. Prompt example. Explain pros and cons of dropshipping versus print on demand for a first-time e-commerce entrepreneur. 2. Conduct market and competitor research. Let AI tools analyze competitors, find gaps in the market, and determine buyer behavior. Recommended tools. SimilarWeb. ChatGPT. Crayon. SpyFu. Prompt example. Analyze top competitors in the eco-friendly kitchenware niche and identify gaps I can exploit. 3. Write a business plan. A business plan will guide your actions, help secure funding, and provide clarity. Recommended tools. ChatGPT. Notion AI. Prompt example. Write a detailed business plan for an e-commerce store selling smart home gadgets, including executive summary, market analysis, marketing plan, operations, and financial projections. 4. Choose your products. You can use AI product research tools to spot high-potential products. Recommended tools. Sell the trend. Jungle Scout for Amazon. ChatGPT. Prompt example. Find trending products in the fitness niche suitable for dropshipping with profit margins above 40%. 5. Source or create products. Use AI image generators and prototyping platforms for product visualization. Recommended tools. Midjourney or DALL-E, product concept images. Alibaba or Spocket for sourcing. Printful or Printify for pod. Prompt example. Generate product concepts for minimalistic home office decor items that appeal to remote workers. 6. Build your online store. Use AI website builders to create your e-commerce store with minimal effort. Recommended tools. Shopify Magic AI for product descriptions. Wix AI website builder. Durable.co AI website generator. Prompt example. Generate a homepage layout and copy for an e-commerce store selling sustainable kitchenware. 7. Create product listings and content. Let AI tools write persuasive descriptions, optimize for SEO, and generate visuals. Recommended tools. ChatGPT, copywriting. Copy.ai or Jasper AI content. Canva AI, design and image creation. Prompt example. Write an SEO-optimized product description for a reusable bamboo cutlery set. 8. Set up payments and logistics. Ensure your payment gateways are secure and logistics are streamlined. Recommended tools. Shopify Payments, Stripe, or PayPal. ShipBob, AI-powered logistics. Easy Ship. Prompt example. Compare Stripe and PayPal for small e-commerce businesses in terms of fees, ease of use, and global support. 9. Create an AI-powered marketing plan. AI makes it easy to generate and execute a complete marketing plan. Recommended tools. ChatGPT, Okoya or PRedis.ai, AI social media content. AdCreative.ai, Ad Creatives. Surfer SEO, AI SEO content. Prompt example. Create a marketing plan for a new e-commerce store selling personalized baby gifts including SEO, social media, and email marketing strategies. 10. Launch social media campaigns. Use AI to generate posts, analyze performance, and schedule content. Recommended tools: Buffer or Hootsuite with AI features. Lately.ai, content repurposing. Canva Magic Write. Prompt example: generate 10 Instagram captions for promoting eco-friendly baby clothes with a playful, parent-friendly tone. 11. Set up email marketing and automation. Automate your customer engagement using AI. Recommended tools: Klaviyo, email automation with AI suggestions. MailChimp, AI subject line generator. ChatGPT. Prompt example: write a 5-part email sequence for new subscribers to an online store selling pet grooming tools. 12. Integrate AI chatbots for customer support. Provide 24/7 customer service without human staff using AI bots. Recommended tools: Tidio, MiniChat, Zendesk AI. Prompt example: create a customer support chatbot flow for a store selling phone accessories. 13. Analyze sales and optimize with AI. AI analytics tools help you track performance and suggest improvements. Recommended tools: Google Analytics with AI insights. Pave AI turns analytics into strategy. Glue.io, e-commerce analytics. Prompt example: analyze this Shopify store's data and suggest 3 actionable ways to improve sales conversion. 14. Test and improve your store continuously. AI tools let you run A/B tests on products, landing pages, and marketing strategies. Recommended tools: VWO or Optimizely, AI A/B testing. Hotjar, AI heat maps and behavior insights. ChatGPT. Prompt example: what A/B test should I run on my e-commerce product page to improve conversion rate? 15. Scale your business. Use AI to find influencers, run paid ads, and expand into new markets. Recommended tools: Modash, AI influencer finder. Adzuma, ad optimization with AI. ChatGPT. Prompt example: create a strategy to scale my online store selling premium pet beds into the Canadian and UK markets. Conclusion: AI can be your most powerful business partner when launching and growing an e-commerce business. From the earliest idea to scaling across borders, smart use of AI tools can save time, reduce costs, and boost results. Start small, automate wisely, and continue learning. With AI at your side, your e-commerce business has unlimited potential. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.